Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, baking videos, haul videos, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today it's time for Thrifted Thursday, which comes from the awesome mind of Sammie over at Unicorn Dust Designs. I will link her channel in the description box below, where I share with you everything that I have found at my local thrift store within the last few months, or for a while. It's been more than a few months, because you know it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, so I apologize. But you guys, I found such cool stuff. I love going to my local thrift store because your girl loves a deal, and I don't like to pay full price for anything if I don't have to. So let's start with like my ultimate favorite find that I found at the thrift store, and this actually just found like just a couple days ago. So you guys, check it out. It is a Dooney and Burke leather handbag. Like, check that out, you guys. It is in wonderful condition. It is an anniversary edition, and I looked, it is authentic. It does have the serial number tag on the inside. It has these cute leather straps. Like, you guys, like, look at how cute this is. And at the thrift store, you guys, somebody donated that, like, for real. So that, I have to say, is my favorite find. I can't believe it. A Dooney and Burke handbag at the thrift store. You guys, I'm telling you, thrift stores is where it's at. I love thrift stores. And to continue on with handbags is this. So this isn't as cool. I mean, it's cool, but it's not Dooney and Burke cool. But it's this super fun crossbody bag. And it says, "And she never gave up." And I think that's very fitting for me. So if I have a motto from the way things went last year and things have been going, I haven't given up. So she never gave up. So that's very fitting. But it's a super fun crossbody bag. It has a super fun like cheetah print strap. It's in like really good condition. I don't even know if anybody ever actually used it. So I love crossbody bags because if I'm shopping or thrifting, I want to have my hands free and I don't want to have to worry about my purse. And I like to have it in front of me to keep it safe. So super cool. I found that. And then continue on with bags because, hello, my name is Mercedes and I love bags. I found these super fun reusable bags because I like to use reusable bags. I'm trying to do good. So this one is a Kellogg's like Raisin Bran, and it still has the tag, so super fun. And then I also found this Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats / Kellogg's Corn Flakes tote bag, which I thought were fun because I love reusable tote bags. And does anybody else like put them in their car but then forget to bring them into the store with you, so then you end up buying more reusable tote bags because you left yours in the car or you left them at home and forgot to bring them with you? Because I do that. So those are my bag finds. And then moving on to another one of my favorite finds is this sweater, you guys. Like, check it out. This it had the tags on it from American Eagle for $49.99. Yes, this was tagged as a $50 sweater, and I got it at the thrift store for way less. I think I paid $10. Yeah, it was $10. A $49.99 American Eagle super cute sweater for $10. And I think it's like the 4th time that I've worn it because I love it so much. And it's not like super heavy either, so you can wear like a shirt under it and not be super hot, because I hate when you wear a sweater and then you get like overly hot. Because I mean, I'm just going to be honest with you guys, I'm going through perimenopause, so I'm getting hot flashes. I'm hot, then I'm cold, then I'm hot, then I'm cold. So I don't need like super heavy sweaters. So this is perfect. $10 for my $50 American Eagle sweater. Such a good deal. And continuing with the clothes, I've lost some weight. Actually, I've lost a lot of weight. I found these Levi Strauss jeans, and they're pretty much like brand new. Like, they weren't even used. I always like check, to make sure that they're not worn here, because they get worn. But yeah, but these look like, I don't even know if anybody ever used them. These were I think these were $10 too, which is kind of pricey, but I think for Levi's at a thrift store for $10 is a good deal. So I found some jeans to go with my sweater, but I also have another pair of thrifted jeans on that I got that were, I won't stand up and show you, but anyway, these were Lucky brand jeans, and they were $10. Same thing. Like, I don't even think somebody wore them, and I got them at the thrift store. So I mean, you go to Walmart and like jeans are like $20 at Walmart. So for half the price of Walmart, I got Levi and I got Lucky Brand jeans, like for the price of one pair of jeans at Walmart. So it's such a good deal. So those are cool, like my bags, my clothes. Let's move on to housewares. So I found some really cool houseware stuff. I'm Mercedes, and I love like water cups, water bottles. Like the Owala brand is my favorite. I know everybody loves the Stanley. I love Owala because the Stanley lids are so hard for me to like twist off. And this Owala one, it was $1.50. And you guys look at it. It's like brand new. And it's a really nice cup. And I love it because I like to put ice in there in my drinks and it keeps it cold. And this one will fit in my car because it'll fit in like the little cup holder. So $1.50 for this super cute Owala cup that's like in mint condition. And I love it. Like I said, I love Owala. For me, it's easier to open than Stanley. And I love them better. So that's just me personally. But yeah, $1.50 for this super cute cup. Like, I love it. And then another thing that I love is all my dishes are Fiesta ware that I've collected over the years. Like, my parents gave me dish sets for Christmas, for my birthday, and all that fun stuff. But I found Fiesta ware. This one was $1. And it's the peacock blue. And if you don't know, blue is my favorite color. So it is a super fun bowl. And I have never seen a bowl, like, if you could tell, it's kind of like an odd shape. I've never seen a bowl like this shape. So it's a Fiesta ware bowl. It was $1.50. And then also to go with it for $1.50, I found the same cool square peacock blue plate, which I thought chips and dip. Like you could put some dip in here and then put your chips around it for $3 for Fiesta ware. And it's so cool. And I have all the colors of Fiesta ware. I didn't have just like one color. Like you open up my cabinet and it's like a rainbow of colors of my dishes of Fiesta ware because it's just fun to like pick your favorite color. And I got that from my stepmom because she has Fiesta ware, all the colors, and everybody picks their favorite color when they're grabbing their dinner plates. So yeah, $3 for a Fiesta ware bowl and a plate that would make a killer chip and dip plate. So loving that. And then I'm going to try to host like a tea party, like kind of like a Great British Baking Show, which I love that show. Comment down below. Do you guys watch the Great British Baking Show? I love it. I want to have like a tea party kind of thing in the spring. And I found a set of this beautiful Pioneer cutlery. It's like just plastic. It was 75 cents. But how pretty is that? Like look at the detailing on the bottom. And I just think that would be so pretty for like a tea party. Because I don't know. I want to have a tea party. I want to like get dressed up and have like sandwiches and cakes and just have a good time. Continuing on with kitchen, we're going to move into cookbooks. And you guys, check this out. I found this Martha Stewart Living Cookbook, the new classics. Let's see, more than 1,200 recipes. Martha Stewart Cookbook for $5. Like, look at that. And it's like in mint condition. Like, I don't even think anybody cooked out of it. Like, how cool is that? And it's got, like, everything. It has an index. It has classics. It has pictures. This book, oh, let's check, was $35. Look at that. US, $35. And I got it for $5. And it's pretty. And it's blue. And I just love it. This I got because it says a personal recipe file kitchen clips. And I thought this was super fun because you can put your own recipes in it. And it's like a binder. And I just thought that was super cute. There's appetizers, vegetables, soups and salads. And you could put like your own little things in there. If you junk journal, I thought this also would be a super cool like base for a junk journal, for like a cooking junk journal. And I thought that was cool. So I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed, I love vintage cookbooks, and I found this Better Homes and Gardens new cookbook, and it is copyright, let me look, I'll tell you, copyright 1981, this is the 7th printing, 1987. So yeah, so this is from 1987, it's just cool, I love it, because like, you know, it's blue and white and red, so like perfect for like the 4th of July, Memorial Day, if you do like a little vignette for like the you know, the patriotic holidays. It's just super cute. And then like if you have like a row of these stacked, like if you collect cookbooks, like it's super fun. So I grabbed that. It was super cool. And then You know, I am a crafty girl, which it's been a hot minute since I've done a craft project, but we'll get there. We'll get there, trust me. But you also know I scrapbook. And yes, I'm old school. I print out pictures, I do the pages. And I love when I can find scrapbooks that are like pre-done and then I can just put my pictures in it because it saves me so much time. And I found for $3 this new in box scrapbook album. And you guys, check it out on the back. It's all pre-made pages. And it's super fun. And it's not really a theme, so I can make this like an everyday album if I wanted to. But it has all the pages pre-done. So then all I have to do is just slap my pictures on there. And I'm done. So super cool. And it was $3. Like, you guys, it's such a good deal. And then also for $2, I found this signature Christmas short stack with glitter. It's from My Mind's Eye, and it's a paper pack. And hello, I'm Mercedes, and I have way too much crafting paper. But you guys, like, it's so like, oh my gosh, look at this. Like, there's Santa Claus. What else is there? Oh, there's some other pretty ones. Hold on, I gotta like scroll back. There's like the sleigh. And I love vintage. I also, hello, I'm Mercedes, and I love everything vintage. Like, look at the reindeer. So, and I don't even know if anybody really used anything out of it. And it was $2 for this super cool, like, paper pack. And then if you don't like Christmas, like, there's pretty snowflakes. So you could do, like, winter stuff. So cool. $2, such a good deal. This one was a little bit more pricey, and it's brand new in the package. Wow, somebody had it for $18. Holy crap. Which I did not pay. I paid $3. And it's a White Elegance from SEI Assortment Paper Pack. And it has alphabet stickers. So it has all these pretty, very elegant paper packs with stickers. Which, you know, super cool. So if you ever do like a wedding album, it would be super fun to make. And so for anybody that wanted an update, because I know I announced that my daughter had gotten engaged last year. They're still engaged. We don't have a wedding date yet. They're not in a hurry, so I don't have any wedding planning going on. So nothing fun there to announce. But I got it because it was pretty, and you know, it would make a really pretty wedding album. And then this, you guys, $3. It's a Cricut tool set, and it has all the things. It has scissors. It has like tweezers. It has the little things to rip stuff, like to peel stuff off. It has like all the cool things. I don't even know. A scraper, scissors, tweezers, weeder. That's the official term for this, y'all. If y'all didn't know, it's a weeder. But look at that. So, and I craft, and you can always use this kind of stuff for crafting, especially like, I love scissors. Like, can never have enough scissors. I have so many scissors, and yet I just love scissors because they get grody, they get gunky. So $3 for the craft kit from Cricut. I grabbed these for 75 cents each. I thought these would be cute. They're just fun little like bags, but I thought you could craft with these too, like make little pockets out of them. Just super fun. And then I also found, and these are really cool, these are Paris labels. And they are so neat. Like, there are a whole bunch of, like, different labels. Like, how cool, like, is that, you guys? Like, look at this. So, just all these fun labels that you can use to craft with. And they're so, like, vintage looking. I just, oh, they're so cool. So I grabbed that because I just thought that was super cool. And then it comes in a nifty little tin. You guys, I think this was 75 cents. The tags came off, but it was so cool. Like, I just couldn't, as my dad says, you can't beat that with the stick. And then I also grabbed another killer deal, if you know, you know. This is a snap binder from Simple Stories. It has all the things in it. Like all the dividers, all the pages, all the things, and it was $1. And if you guys craft or you use Simple Stories, you know that getting a snap binder from them, you're not going to get one for $1. And it's super cool, and you could do all sorts of things with it, and I just love it. Like, it's so neat. Like, there's Like there's pages. So super cool for crafting, for junk journaling, make your own cookbook. And it was $1. Like that was such a good deal. And then also, speaking of junk journaling, you guys, I got this Casey and Company Smash book. And it is gorgeous. Like, you guys. So you can do all sorts of things with this. Like, oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? There's so much you could do with this. You can journal with it. You could scrapbook with it. Like, you could do all the things. It's so cool. Like, look, it's so pretty. And I got this. And it comes with a pen. I don't know if the pen works. But, yeah, it was so cool. And I want to say this was like $1.50. And it's super neat. So, if you, especially like if you have like a teenager or someone and, you know, they need to express their feelings or they want to get things out, like this would be such a fun book to give them to do stuff with. It's just such a good deal. And then last but certainly not least, we're going to move into the home goods department. And the coolest thing that I found, and I can't believe I found it, and it still has its tag, is this giant dough bowl. Like, look at that, you guys. Like, it's got to be like 2 feet. And it still has its price on the back. $34.99, fall 2021. And I got it for $5. And this would make such a great centerpiece to put in your dining room table, put stuff in like greenery and candles and all the things. And if you know, dough bowls are expensive. So like I couldn't believe I found this one. And it's a really nice kind of like blonde wood. So it's super cool. Like I said, it's wood. It's super cool. I can't believe I found it. I was like, that is such a good deal. So I grabbed it. And then I also grabbed this. I thought was super cool. It was $1. It's the castle from, what is this one? Is this Disneyland, I think? Is this Cinderella's castle or Sleeping Beauty's castle? You guys let me know. I can't remember. But it was $1. And I just thought it was so pretty. I thought maybe I could do something with that because I love Disney and I've been to Disneyland and Disney World and I just thought that was really pretty. And it's like a watercolor painting and it was just really sweet. So I grabbed that. I also grabbed, they had 2 of these, Reese, and like the same thing. Like, have you guys priced out Reese like this? Like they're spendy, y'all. And so I grabbed 2 of them because you can, and it's even got like a hanger so I can hang it with some ribbon like over my door because I was thinking about maybe putting some over the cabinet doors in my laundry room, over the doors of the cabinet to kind of spruce it up. So I thought that was super cool. And then the last thing that I got that was home decor was one of these wood rounds, which you guys, I think you could do so much with these. You can use them as centerpieces, you can stack them. And the tag came off of this, but I want to say the same thing. I want to say this is like $1.50. And it's just a really nice, chunky wood round. So you could, like I said, you could do all sorts of stuff with these. So anyway, that was everything that I have got recently at my local thrift store. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item that I found. Comment down below too. Do you guys go thrifting? Do you go yard sailing, estate sales? Ooh, I love a good estate sale. Let me know. Do you guys do anything? Have you found anything good? Because I always like to know what other people are finding. Or have your thrift store prices just gone ridiculous? Because I've seen that too. Like, y'all, going to the Goodwill, it's just like, it's like a boutique store. I'm like, this is the Goodwill. You get your stuff for free. Like, why is it so expensive? Oh, get it together. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, goodbye.